This is a quick tip on how I bulk rename all of my images or files after I've finished them. Sometimes I forget to do it in Lightroom or in Capture One, and I just need to rename them all, and I don't want to individually rename each file. So what I'm going to do is Command A to select all of the files that need to be renamed. Then I'm going to right click and go down to rename, and this little window is going to pop up. Now I'm going to press the drop down and go to format, and it is going to change the fields. The name format I am going to have on name and index. And then my custom format is what I am going to be naming the file. So right now I'm going to name this one my project, and then I want the start number to go after the name. You can have that go before the name if you would like, but I'm going to start after the name, and then it's going to start at 1. So then all I have to do is click rename, and it renames all of those images or files, whatever you need. And it is very quick and easy, and this is how I save myself a lot of time.